Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know you have a bad shift interlock solenoid? The shift interlock solenoid is located by the shifter. It is located inside the steering column, or it can be located in the center console where the shifter is at. In order for the shift interlock solenoid to work properly, the brake light switch must be working. The stopper on the brake light switch cannot be missing. The connection on the brake light switch cannot be loose. And the shifter assembly must be working properly. The way the shift interlock solenoid works is when you start your vehicle, when you step on a brake pedal, a signal is sent to the shift interlock solenoid and it will energize the shift interlock solenoid, and this plunger will move back or it moves down and it will release the shift lever, and then you can shift out of park. Before you attempt to replace the shift interlock solenoid, you should check for a few things, and I'm going to show you guys how. First, make sure the brake lights are off when the vehicle is off. If the brake light is staying on, that means the brake light switch is faulty and you should replace it. The brake light switch is located right by the brake pedal, and in order for the shift interlock solenoid to work properly, the brake light switch must be in good working condition. As you can see, the brake light switch is made of plastic, and your foot can actually accidentally hit the brake light switch, and you can actually accidentally break the brake light switch, and this can cause the shift interlock solenoid to not work properly. If the brake light switch stopper is missing, the brake light switch cannot work properly. Again, this can affect how the shift interlock solenoid is going to function. In order to replace the shift interlock solenoid, you must remove the center console or the steering column to access the shift interlock solenoid. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.